Hello rainbows, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I thought I would take a leaf out of James Charles and Nikki Tutorials book and let my Instagram family pick my makeup. I don't know if you guys are going to stitch me up or not, but yeah, let's just get right into it. I put everything on my Instagram story a little while ago just so I had time to kind of build up. My phone is honestly so slow, like it still hasn't opened Instagram yet. What are you doing? Go into my story. We're having a Harry Potter-thon at the moment, so oh my god, so good. I'm so scared right now. So these have been up maybe for like an hour or two. Primers, I gave you guys 4 options for primers. So looking at this, the highest one is Australis Midas Touch with 70 votes. So that's the one we're gonna use, Midas Touch. Foundation, again 4 options. So the first one is Urban Decay All Nighter, 43 votes. Fenty Beauty, 62 votes. Ellis BB Cream, 17 votes. And Nude by Nature Powder, 56 votes. So it looks like I'm using Fenty Beauty foundation. So I have shade 190, which is a little bit dark because it's kind of my summer shade and it's like winter now. So I will be mixing it with a little bit of just lightning drops to lighten it up. Now, application method. This is where I gave you guys a choice of how I should apply it, like sponge, bread roll, fingers. So let's have a look. 47 votes for a bread roll, 64 for a brush, 72 for beauty blender, and 34 for fingers. So beauty blender, it is. Awesome. Honestly, I think I've really got the wrong undertone with this foundation. I did mention that I'm gonna skip my eyebrows because they're still healing from my microblading. I just don't want to get makeup on them if I can avoid it. For under eye concealer, I had 2 options, no concealer if you guys wanted to stitch me up, and concealer. So the concealer with 95 votes as opposed to 25 is the Bye Bye Under Eye by It Cosmetics. Oh, honestly, this is like the best under eye eyeshadows. I gave you guys 4 options. We've got 33 votes for the Sugar Pill Pro palette, which is really ultra colourful. 50 votes for Jeffree Star Blood Sugar. Wow. 51 votes for designer brand's Day to Night palette, and 60 votes for Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina. So it looks like the Norvina palette is the one that we're doing. How should I apply it? 36 votes for fingers, 90 votes for brushes. Style, 59 votes for blended, 71 for a cut crease. So it looks like we're using brushes and doing a cut crease. God, this foundation does not match. Oh, it's pretty ironic, like foundation with, you know, 40 colors and I still can't get the right one. I'm gonna go in with Love. So into the crease, go in with Soul. Still using a really big fluffy brush. Intensify that crease. Probably looks like I've got black eyes. It kind of does, doesn't it? Have you finished your strawberry? You've got a big bit of strawberry under your nose. Hey, you want some banana? Oh, you just ate that bit of strawberry. Hey, you want some banana? Drama. And kind of softly dusting that into the crease. I just want to build up like a little bit of depth. Hazel's now playing in her jolly jumper and Lee's outside sanding, so you guys can probably hear that sound, but that's alright. So I'll go in with Celestial, pat that in the center of the lid. You know what I'm thinking? Eyeliner, if I'm allowed to do eyeliner, like blue liner. Oh my gosh, that would look amazing. Didn't specify what color liner. Naughty. I'm wondering if I should ask you guys quickly what liner I should do, blue or black. I I will leave that for a little bit. We'll come back to the eyes. So for bronzer, we have 4 options. We've got 65 votes for Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil, 47 votes for Pony Cosmetics Unicorn Bronzer, 17 votes for Ellis Bronzer, and 84 votes for Australis. So looks like 84 votes for Australis. Now, right at the end of my story, I did tack on a application method for this. 109 people have answered. The options were a sponge, bread roll, or brushes. Brushes were like right at the very end. Bread roll was in the middle. I'm actually thinking it's probably bread roll. I honestly think it's bread roll. And that was to apply my everything, like bronzer, contour, highlight with a bread roll. Okay, this is my Australis bronzer. Might break into this bread roll. At least I could eat it. Oh man. Oh god, no. Oh no. Oh no. No, it's awfully. Oh fuck. It's gonna look like I've got major dandruff because it's bits of bread everywhere and it's going down my top. Oh my god. How am I gonna contour with this? Contour. I gave you guys 2 options, I think, for the contour. NYX Blush and Taupe, 60 votes. Australis Contour, 74 votes. Man, and this is a dark one as well. This is one I bought because I didn't have many dark shades for clients. Oh fuck, it's like so orange. All right, I'm gonna do this one. Oh my god, it's like taking off my makeup underneath. Oh no. Oh god. Blend, baby, blend. Oh, it is impossible to blend with bread. Oh man, and it's freaking going everywhere. I need a bib. Blend, blend, come on. Oh my god. Oh, this is so gross. For blush, I gave you guys 4 options. 79 votes for peachy, 35 votes for pink, 31 votes for purple, and 44 votes for nude. So it is peachy blush. Applied with a bread roll. This Blush Up Complexion palette by Designer Brands, which has really nice peachy colors. So I'm gonna go in with this one here. It's so gross. Okay, I think that's as good as we're gonna get. Ugh. All right, let's go back to the eyes and have a look at what you guys have said for eyeliner. 11 votes for black, 8 votes for blue. So black it is. All right, so I've got my NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. So now we will look at false lashes. 117 votes for yes, 39 votes for no. So it looks like we're doing false lashes, which is gonna be hard because my eyelashes have been permed and fakies just do not wanna go on at the moment. So I've just got some wispies here, which I love wispies. There's nothing wrong with wispies. I'm gonna actually apply these underneath my own lashes, so that's gonna work a lot better than trying to apply them on top. Alright, that was epic. Lashes are on and I've applied some mascara. Lips, I gave you guys 4 options. First one, we've got 81 votes for Glossy Natural, 36 votes for Bright Red, 39 votes for black, 47 votes for blue. So Glossy Natural, sweet. You can't get more Glossy Natural than a Butter Gloss by NYX. I might just use my new lip tattoo color and just put this gloss over the top. This is in the shade Cream Brulee. Highlight, and again it will be applied with a bread roll. So highlight options, we've got 34 votes for Dose of Colors, 52 votes for Lime Crime, 43 votes for Designer Brands, and 55 votes for NYX. So it looks like it is NYX we're doing. Strobe of Genius palette. Here you have the finished look. That was so much fun. I actually really enjoyed that, and I love like being interactive with you guys, and oh, it's just so much fun. I definitely want to do more kind of challenges and things like that. I do have in my mind a really cool challenge idea. which I'm really excited to do, but I need to make a prop for it first, so yeah. Thank you for all of my Instagram family who participated, who voted and made this look actually possible. It actually turned out pretty well. I mean, you know, minus the bread roll contouring. Like, there are literally bits of bread, like, ugh, so gross. Alright rainbows, I love you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!